This is Troy Taylor from Salt Lake City, Utah. This course has been uh, so enlightening. It's given me so much more insight on what drones to buy. I have learned more in just one day of the Drone Command course than I have in the last year. And I feel that I'm closer in taking the plunge in starting my own business. The fear is getting lesser and the excitement is growing stronger. Thanks to the awesome Drone Command crew and the strong motivation from Damon the Drone Boss and Diego. What I'd be telling myself if I could go back in time after experiencing this event so far. If I could, I would tell myself, uh, and the this is what the event would be like. Before the event, I wasn't really sure what all to expect. But now that I got to spend some time with everyone, I would tell myself that this is going to be a fast paced event because there's a lot of information overload that needs to be put out, and you're going to learn so much. So get a good night's sleep and come mentally prepared to learn and have a good time. And keep in mind the knowledge and the benefits um, are going to outweigh the time and the cost for this event. While I was thinking about all the stuff I've learned so far and starting my own business, I was thinking of a scenario that came to my mind, uh, and this is my scenario. There's a large housing project being developed near my home. To get some practice, I fly around the project in the evenings after the workers have left the site. One afternoon, the project manager had been watching me fly, and he approaches me and he tells me he's impressed with my flying and that I'm consistent uh, coming there every night. And he's impressed with my flying, and he asked if I can provide detailed aerial maps of the site and some other useful data as well. Well, I have to hesitate, realizing there's an opportunity here, but I'm not quite sure how to seize it. I think other drone pilots find themselves in a similar situation. They're good flyers, but they're not set up to meet the growing demand for aerial mapping services. One thing that I've learned so far is the drone industry is changing rapidly. As I've been learning, it's not just about being a great pilot anymore, it's about being a problem solver, someone who can see the big picture and deliver valuable situations. I was thinking about being the go to person, not just for drone flights, but for creating maps that drive decision making in construction, farming, and urban planning. But I would strongly recommend this class, this course, um, to everybody that's into drones. That uh, you're going to get so much out of this. But I don't want to cause too much competition for myself either. So anyway, um, special thanks to Damon and Diego for all their great motivation, and it's been so far just a really great, fun course. A lot of good joking around, good-natured people.